everyone, this is Joyce from USELUCK Door. Today I want to introduce the door size information with you. And we always ask our customers what's the door hole size, because we need to determine the door with frame size according to the door hole. And we have regular size 2015 height and 900 width. In addition, we need to know the door leaf thickness. Okay, look here, and this part is the door leaf thickness we said, and we have 50 millimeters, 20 millimeters, 100 millimeters for your choice. And we also need to confirm the steel sheet thickness with you. And first is door leaf thickness. This part is the door leaf thickness we said. For door leaf thickness, we have a steel sheet thickness range from 0.5 millimeters to 1 millimeters. Besides, we also need the steel sheet thickness of door frame. And look here, this thickness, and we need to confirm that we have steel sheet thickness range from 1.0 millimeters to 2.0 millimeters. That's all. If you are interested with our products, and please contact us.